How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you for tuning in to another video. Rush SRT here, and today we have an exciting one for you guys. Today's video, we're going to be testing some 0 to 60 times in the Dodge Challenger, trying to see if we can get the time to be a little faster here, a little quicker. My personal best at the moment is a 4.4 on the stock tires, which are the 275 35/20s. The reason I'm doing this is I'm doing it before I get my new tires, which are going to be a little bigger. They're going to be a 305 35/20, so hopefully I'll be able to get much better times with those and be able to hook up a lot more, since I do tend to spin a hell of a lot with the current setup, which is the stock tires. So they're no good. I mean, they're fun for kind of drifting the car and doing burnouts and whatnot, but absolutely no fun for racing or anything like that. And this is on a 392. I mean, I can't imagine you Hellcat guys with these tires. I don't know what your cars are doing, but my car seems to be spinning all over the place, which definitely makes for fun when you drive, but that's just not very competitive at all. Nope. Still having a very bad time launching it. I'm wheel hopping too. And there's something flying all over the place. Yeah, I'm not sure why I'm having such bad luck today with these 0 to 60. Okay, there we go. 4.3, a little bit of brake boosting there, or like holding the brakes. I'm gonna try to do it one more time and see if we can get a little better. That was a little better. So we just beat my personal best, which I'm pretty happy about. I'm pretty stoked about that. More violent, but no good. Tire spin, tire spin, tire spin, non-stop tire spin. I hate it. Fucking tire spin yet again. Alrighty guys, I'm gonna wrap it off right there. Thank you for checking out this video. As you can see here, my quest for a better 0 to 60 time. We were able to beat my personal best, but not by a lot. I still believe I can do better, but unfortunately I think tires are becoming rather a big issue now, because I'm spinning in every setting, and with traction control on and off and everything like that, just can't seem to put the power down as smooth as I want to. So that's it for this video. Thank you for checking it out. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, like the video as well, and hopefully we'll see you in the next one. Rush SRT signing out, guys. Peace.